Hey guys! Today it's all about how to use a safety razor. So yeah, if you like to reduce plastic in your daily life and you like to have a low waste bathroom, sooner or later you might buy a safety razor or thinking about buying one. And I know it sounds a little bit intimidating at first, but it's not as bad as you might think. So here it is, like a short tutorial how to use a safety razor the safe way. You get your safety razor delivered or you buy them, you will get one without a razor blade, so there's no razor blade here. Then you screw off the top. You take the razor blade. It's very sharp here on the side, so don't touch it there. Just touch it on the short sides. And put it on top. The edges should show down. Ready to use.
You can use some extra shaving soap, or like I do, just use normal soap. And then just shave like you would do with your old razor. Just don't put too much pressure on it. You can shave down or upwards. And yes, it's totally fine to use it for all kind of body parts you like to shave: your arms, your legs, your bikini zone or armpits. Just be a little bit more careful on uneven body parts. So when you finish, just open it slightly and clean under running water and leave it open to dry. And then it should be fine for the next couple of weeks.
I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye!